Good morning, friends. Today this is Siddharth again. So today I will show you a very important topic, that is how to reset directory service restore mode password. So whenever it's any requirement for to promote in domain controllers, so at the time of promoting the domain controllers, we have assigned the DSRM password. But at the time of any restoration, it's very common that we forget the password what we have actually assigned. So today I'll show you, if after promoting, if you forget the DSRM password, so you can reset the password and keep a track or keep it in a safe password vault, which can help you in case of any AD restoration require. It will help you for smooth transactions. So for that reason, first we want to learn how actually the restore is going on. So first of all, the orange mark means that the AD was corrupted, and it will after restore the system state backup, it will healthy state again. So it during this exchange, conversion, the required for directory service restore mode password. So the NTDS util is the Active Directory command line tool. Through this we can connect the domain controllers, any of the domain controller in your forest or domain, and you can reset the DSRM password. Okay, so for that reason, this is the domain controllers. Okay, let's say I'm showing you my AD console. It's a tailx.com, right? And right now there is a two domain domain controllers, two domain controllers. Okay, fine. So if I am supposed to be change the password on DC01 and DC02 both, so today I'll show you both. Okay, first I'm changing the password on DC01. For that I have to go NTDS util. Sorry, it's not empty, it's NTDS util. After that, very easy, you can type it help. Here all the utilities are showing. Here you can do anything, like you can do the pop-ups of pop-up zone, rules, transfer, whatever it is. So I'm doing set DSRM password. Okay, yeah, set DSRM password. Now it's showing, asking for the command reset DSRM administrator password to whom. Okay, so I am showing you how the live DCs as well. Okay, password has been set successfully. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video as very helpful, kindly subscribe my channel, kindly like this video, kindly comment this video. Bye.